Welcome to this week's Clune Safety Spotlight video, where we will take a closer look at one of our frequently used project forms, the Hot Work Permit. In this video, we will review the form itself and its purpose, as well as dive into the process that our trade partners undergo daily. Let's begin by understanding what the Hot Work Permit is and why it is a critical piece of project documentation. This form is submitted daily by our trade partners prior to engaging in any hot work activities. Completing this form prior to the ask ensures the foreman outlines the day's tasks, identifies associated hazards with those specific tasks, as well as detail the mitigations in place to protect each employee. Whether through elimination, substitution, engineering controls, administrative measures, or personal protective equipment, it is important these mitigations are detailed within the form. The Hot Work Permit is broken into 3 sections: general information, checklist, and a final firewatch section. The general information section captures key project information such as project name and number, the date, the trade partner, as well as the names of the individuals performing the work, to name a few. The specific location of the hot work is also documented in this section. The trade partner then selects the type of hot work being performed, where they can choose from options such as welding, soldering, or grinding. The trade partner then provides a brief description of the scope of work being performed and finishes the section by selecting the start time of the work, and once the work is completed, list the time the work was finished. The next section contains a checklist that must be completed prior to the work beginning, as it ensures critical safety steps and precautions are taken prior to the work starting. Some of the items in the checklist include verifying a safety briefing has taken place prior to the work, describing how the work area will be protected from unauthorized access, confirming fire safety equipment has been protected or disabled, verifying the hot work equipment such as fire extinguishers are in good working condition. These are just a few of the items that are covered within the checklist. As you can see, this checklist ensures the trade partner has gone through critical safety steps prior to the task beginning. The final section covers the details pertaining to the firewatch requirements for this task. The employee responsible for the firewatch is listed in this area, as well various confirmations that are needed. In this area, the trade partner confirms that firewatch will be provided not only during but also at minimum 1 hour after the work has finished. This section also confirms that the firewatch has been trained to use the equipment, as well as on the alarm procedure, as well as a few other important verifications. After finishing the section on firewatch, you will see there is an area that allows the user to add a copy of any building or client required hot work permits. By including it here, all information will be kept accessible in one area and available for anyone needing to see it. The hot work permit finishes with another area allowing the trade partner to provide additional photos. We will now take a quick look at what our trade partners experience each day when completing this document. Trade Partner Portal Navigation. Upon entering the site Docs portal using the project-specific QR code, trade partners are prompted to their project's homepage. Here, the foreman has various options, one of which is Forms. After selecting Forms, they can view all the available and relevant forms for that project. Hot work permits will most certainly always be an available option on any project. Once the trade partner has selected Hot Work Permit, they will enjoy a fast and easy process completing the form. A new permit is initiated before each shift by selecting the New tab. If revisions are necessary, they can access the form under In Progress. The Duplicate tab is used if the same people and same work is being done for additional days. Past permits can be found in the Previously Signed tab. Upon completing all entries of the form, the foreman can click on the Sign and Save option highlighted in green. This will then submit the Hot Work Permit to the Clune project team for their review. As with any project document, accuracy is paramount with regards to the Hot Work Permit, with data documented in the analytics portion for reference. This information serves as a valuable resource for Clune Construction to assess and enhance project safety and efficiency. If there are any questions regarding this Safety Spotlight video, please reach out to Clune Safety Team at safetydepartment@clunegc.com.